In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Before enabling voice chat, make sure you have verified your age on Roblox if required. Next, go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Open Settings. To do so, click on the Settings icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, find and open the Privacy section. Look for the option that says Enable Voice Chat, Toggle, or similar, and toggle the switch to turn on the voice chat in Roblox. After enabling voice chat, make sure to save the changes in the settings. Once you've enabled voice chat, enter a Roblox game that supports voice chat, and look for the microphone icon on your avatar's head or the game's UI. Click or tap on the microphone icon to activate voice chat, and after activating it, you can now interact with other players on the server using voice. Speak into your microphone and your voice will be heard by others who have also enabled voice chat. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.